Let's take a look at a situation that has occurred in our profile, or we see it through our profile, and that's the fact that between the manhole and the outlet structure, our pipe is coming outside of the ground surface. So let's take a look at how we might go about changing that inside the drainage program, and specifically through the profile dialog. So this particular link here, I want to make a change to the invert of that upstream end. And let's just say, for example, you didn't know what link that was. You could click the ID button in the profile dialog under the link profile tab, and you could select that link. And you can see that that's highlights it. It's link SS4, and we can make a change now to it. So you've got all the information in the lower part of the dialog associated with link SS4, and I want to modify the invert. I want to edit the invert. I'm going to do it graphically. So I click Edit Invert, and as I pull my mouse over to the view, it might be hard to see, but it puts a cursor at the invert of the pipe. And as I move my mouse up to that invert, I now have the pipe graphically attached to my cursor. So you see I can now make adjustments. I can pull it down to a particular desired elevation and data point its new location. At this point, I can click Modify and modify that segment, and then apply these changes back to the profile. Geopack will go through the network computations again. So I'll say yes, that's fine. And I've created some other problems. So now I have a few more error messages than I had before. I'll close that and see what happened to my profile. And I can see that in this particular case it went ahead and dropped the invert down, but it also pushed this pipe upstream of it down as well. And the main reason it did that was, if I take a look at the node, that's the catch basin there. When I created the catch basin, I told it to match the soffit of the pipes coming in and out. So under the elevations option for catch basin 4, I told it to match the soffit in and out. So when I lowered the pipe, then the pipe upstream had to match the soffit. So I'll go ahead and change that to allow drop manhole and apply. Now, if I simply make a change to a node like that, then I probably need to redesign the network, rerun the hydraulics, and that seems to have fixed all those other error messages. And also, and you may have already noticed, it's changed my profile. So my profile has been updated.